Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today is April 30th, and we're fixing to have to start our single seed challenge over. Yes, we had a failure. Unforeseen circumstances, and this year I have had the attack of the vine borers. And my Cinderella pumpkin, and we'll go out there and look at it here when it gets light, but I'm out here in my shop and I'm preparing to plant it again. Now, here's my seed. I'm going to plant multiples of these this time, but I've marked this corner one here as my single seed challenge one. And we're just going to push this under and cover it up. And there we go, we planted it. But we'll get out there and we'll see what's happened. And for those of you that's had failures with your single seed for whatever reason, this is my first year to have a failure. We've ordered something to take care of it, and we'll do a video on that to help y'all out that might have problems with all these parasites and problem microorganisms that's in the soil, how to deal with them. But here's our start. And here's what my single seed challenge looks like. Looks like vine borers has got to it. Also, they've got to some of my other pumpkins right here. So we've got some beneficial nematodes ordered, and we'll talk about them once they get here. But anyway, the single seed challenge is a challenge that was started by Scott Head on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening Channel. And what it is it challenges you to plant just one seed, pick it out, and you can document it. If you have a YouTube video capability where you can post videos on it, and you take that one seed and you watch it throughout its lifespan. Now, this is the lifespan of this one here. It didn't last very long, didn't bear fruit. We're going to start the same variety and start over and see how it does. But anyway, you document it throughout its lifespan, and you tag your video. You can see down in the comments, Single Seed Challenge 2024. And then people can click that hashtag, and you can look at other people that are taking in part in the single seed challenge and see how they're doing, see what they're growing. But anyway, I hope you found this content entertaining, and I hope you decide to take the challenge. If you want to see more videos on my channel, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. It really helps my channel. Enjoy that gardening experience.